Hello everyone, I am Priyanka Gohil. Today I am continuing our previous topic, that is pregnancy and COVID-19. First of all, I want to say thanks to all of you for your amazing support and appreciation to my channel. I also want to say to keep liking and sharing my videos to your students, your friends and your colleagues, and do subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it yet. And for the topics of nursing research and statistics, do subscribe this channel made by Mr. Channagiri for the best content and the explanation. Now, my today's topic is specially focusing on the pregnant healthcare workers in the collaboration with COVID-19 pandemic situation. So, our learning objectives are high risk group of pregnant healthcare workers, recommendations for the employers, response to changing circumstances, antenatal advice for pregnant healthcare workers. Now, risk of pregnant healthcare worker will vary according to the occupation, with some healthcare workers being in the high to very high risk group for the exposure and the potential infection. The healthcare workers is paramount to maintaining the healthcare workforce to cope with the COVID-19 pandemic response. Now, healthcare workers at greater risk of COVID-19 exposure include various medical and dental personnel, then nursing staff, allied healthcare workers, hospital administrative staff, housekeeping staff, and the volunteers who have contact with patients and visitors unless appropriate infection prevention and control measures are observed and their recommended personal protective equipment used. Now, any other workers in the healthcare facilities like those with high level of contact with the general public who works in a situation where physical distancing is not feasible, where the risk minimization strategy cannot or not being used, and who is exposed to a person who has tested positive to COVID-19 without appropriate precaution and use of the personal protective equipment. Now, in the current context of the COVID-19 pandemic, the recommendations for the employers are: first is to do the risk assessment and then allocation of the staff should be done. Then wherever possible, pregnant healthcare workers to be allocated to the patient and duties that have reduced the exposure to patients with or suspected to have COVID-19 infection. And all the personnel should have strict hygiene protocols and have full access to personal protective equipment. Now urges employer to be sensitive to the fact that pregnant healthcare workers are often anxious with their own health and protective for their babies. So, employers should consider that reallocation to the lower risk duty for that pregnant healthcare worker is required and also allow them to work from home and even for leave or the absenteeism. Now, response to changing circumstances. So, information about the COVID-19 pandemic changes rapidly. That's why it is vital that employer and clinical leaders remain up to date and access timely and accurate health advice from the trusted resources. There must be clear communication between all levels of the organization with the consistent information, and employers and clinical leaders in healthcare must adapt to the changing circumstances and show their compassion and the reassurance to the pregnant healthcare worker under trying and unpredictable circumstances. So this will be vital in the future as further widespread disruption will occur, and at this stage there is no clear evidence as to how long that disruption will continue. Now, antenatal advice for the pregnant healthcare worker. So, the pregnant woman who can work from home, they can do so. Then, at any gestational week, the pregnant healthcare worker should offer her choice whether to work in direct patient facing role or not. Then if she is less than 28 weeks of pregnancy, she should practice social distancing. She can choose to work in patient facing role but with the necessary precautions only. Then more than 28 weeks and she is having underlying health condition, she should avoid direct patient contact and recommended work from home. Now in general, there are some general advice, that is wearing personal protective aids compulsory, maintaining health hygiene, maintaining her hydration by drinking frequently water and fluid. To improve her immunity, she can eat healthy fruits, foods, and to ensure for her health status, she should undergo frequent health checkups and the rest and sleep is must required. So today we have discussed about high risk group of pregnant healthcare workers, recommendations to the employers, response to changing circumstances, and antenatal advice for the pregnant healthcare workers. And the topics to be discussed next are care of women in labor, measures to be taken by postnatal women, and key point to be kept in mind for breastfeeding, all in the collaboration with the COVID-19 pandemic situation. Thank you so much and do subscribe my channel.